Hi, everyone. My name is Jackie Plata. I am the grant and office assistant here at Community Engage Alliance. Today, what I'm going to do is take you through our new and improved grant application to submit your proposals. So, first thing first, if you go to our website, communityengagealliance.org, that's where you will find the link to submit your proposal. So, under the Funding and Awards tab, you'll go to Funding Opportunities. And if you scroll down, there is going to be an option to submit your proposal. So right here where it says submit your proposal here, you'll go ahead and click that and it will take you to the application. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the application in a different browser just so that you can see both the desktop version and the mobile version in case you want to do it on your cell phone or on an iPad, anything like that. So this first screen, it's going to talk a little bit about what you're agreeing to as you submit your proposal. So you'll want to go ahead and read through these six sentences. And if you agree with everything, then you can move forward. Also, before you submit your proposal, we have a handy checklist here for you. You'll want to go through this list and make sure that you have everything prior to submitting because when you are in this application and you are submitting all of your materials, you cannot go back. So in order to not lose anything or lose any information that you've already submitted, just make sure that you have all of this handy. After you have everything, you'll go ahead and select one of the two grants that we have available currently. And so I will go ahead and run through one of those. On this next page, it's going to ask for the primary investigator's information. So you'll want to make sure you have all of this. You'll go in here and you'll type out all of the information: first, last name, title, department, email address, phone number. And you'll also select your institution. It is a drop down box here, and it looks like this. You'll select your role as well. And then you'll have the opportunity to upload your headshot, which will need to be in either a JPEG or a PNG file. So you can upload that. You'll also upload your biography. And if you have a co-PI, then you'll want to select yes. If you don't, you can select no and move forward. We'll go ahead and select yes, and so I can show you what that looks like. And essentially, it's just entering their information as well, their institution, and you'll finish it in the next page. So roll, headshot again, the biography, and if you have an additional person you want to add, then you can select yes here. If not, then you can select no. Now you'll want to enter your physical officer's contact information as well. So the physical officer is a person that will fulfill the financial reporting requirements and manage all of the financial aspects of this grant. So you want to make sure that you've spoken to this person and they're aware that you are applying for this. Next is your project information. So you'll go ahead and enter your project title, your start date, the amount that you are requesting, your institutional match, and your project proposal, physical form, your letters of support. And if you have any questions about your proposal, requirements, deadlines, the review process, um, and cash match requirements, you can go to our website, and we have it hyperlinked here in the application. So if you click this, it'll take you to a new browser, and you can look at all of that information. Any questions that you have. Once you have all of this information ready to go, you'll be ready to submit your application. Prior to submitting your application, we do require a signature. So if you're on your desktop, you'll use your mouse pad to sign here. And if you're on your phone or on a mobile device, iPad, phone, anything like that, it'll be your finger on your touch screen. Once you're finished signing, that is the last part of the application. And so you'll click next and it is submitted. If you have any questions while you're filling this application or prior to that or after the fact that you filled it out, you can reach out to us to contact us at engagealliance.org, and Laura and myself, Jackie, will be happy to help answer any questions.